No, it's not. No. I can't even go because I don't know the name. I'm pretty sure your keys are by that. Nice. That's the easiest they could be. Unless they fell into the